Now,
Yeah.
speaking of tradition, kasi pag-usapan natin yung Pasko sa atin, Pasko
Yeah.
dito,
Yeah.
tayong mga Pinoy husbands na hindi in a intercultural marriage,
Yes.
but paano ba yun? paano paano ba yung tradition? Ano ba, are we gonna be more Western or more Filipino, or ano
Mm.
ba yung dapat na
Yan.
na
Totoo
ano
yan.
na tradition?
That's true. That's true. Uh, Actually, I'll share mine and maybe Norbert, you share yours. Yung what you guys do with Sophie now, no.
Mm.
Sa amin, I do really appreciate that tradition. In terms of the gift giving, we really wrap the gifts. Tapos yung mga gifts nasa under the Christmas tree, and you have the time to really just sit down and unwrap the gifts. You know, parang hindi yung binigay mo lang, Merry Christmas, tapos na. Parang it's a whole event. You sit down together in the sofa. Tapos we give the gifts to the kids, and then we receive the gifts from our my mother-in-law or father-in-law, and then we gave them gifts as well. And we open it in front of them. So to see I think that's more traditional, Western tradition, that they want to see your reaction, how happy you will be, or maybe not, parang ganyan. So yun yung challenge, yung time talaga na you have to prepare the gift, kung ano yung magandang regalo, do a bit of research. Then also yung, I think, the dinner is very important, that you all sit down eating together. Isa sa na-realize ko na growing up, ang dami kasing yung parang labas-pasok sa lamesa,
Mm.
na
Mm.
merong uupo, o kain na kayo dyan. Yung kakain is yung ano lang, siguro 3 tao lang, tapos yung iba naghahanda pa, naghihintay, yung iba nasa cellphone, nasa sofa.
May
Wala
shoot.
yung bang, alam mo yun? Kasi ganun yung mga Pinoy, parang chill lang. Pero yung parang, tara, sama-sama tayo, kain tayo sabay. So kahit na if, kung ako man yung magpe-prepare ng food, or si Steffi magpe-prepare ng food, we wait for her to finish and she would sit down. And that makes that kind of ambience na, Merry Christmas, guys, you know? Like, this is, we're together, family. You remember it na, oh, who were you with last Christmas? Diba? And masasabi mo na, ito yung mga kasama mo. So, those are the things that I value and I think important. And what I bring into the table, or to the tradition in Philippines, is really in church. Kasi parang for us, 24, 25 is one of the holiest days in a Christian life. I make sure, even if we're not in Berlin, kahit nasa Hanover, let's say, sa family ng ni Steph, kailangan namin magsimba. Kailangan namin pumunta sa isang service to remember that
Mm.
Jesus was born, you know. It's not just about us. I ensure na, kahit nga minsan German na, hindi ko naiintindihan yung yung message, pero inisip ko parang beyond me, kahit yung mga bata, si Liliana, pagka nandun sila sa church, naalala nila, oh, okay, you know, they reminded of the story why we're doing
Mm.
Christmas. So that's what I always say to them, and I insist on that. And sometimes, minsan, hindi nila gusto pupunta pa rin ako, kahit yung mga bata lang, to really train them, no? That this is not just gift giving, not just eating. It's really thanking the Lord that He gave us the
Kumbaga,
gift.
is it safe to say, Paul, na you're sort of like building your own Christmas tradition, as you know, as for your family, with all these different influences that you have.
Yes, yes. I would say that we are trying to mold same cultures. It's what is the best of those cultures, we put them together. I mean, hindi ko lang magawa yung Christmas party kasi 5 lang kami. Medyo weird. Siguro over time, pag lumaki na sila, tapos siguro pag may family na rin over time, alam mo yun, I will
Mm.
revive that. Kasi na-enjoy din naman ni Steph yun nung nakita niya yun. So, I think maganda yun for us.